Hey, Kinder families. So, in the process of switching to hybrid, I wanted to just give a little quick tutorial on SeeSaw Activities. We'll be using this lots when the kids are working from home in school. Just so you know, if you haven't heard, all the kindergartners will receive an iPad, and that iPad will go to and from school with them. And when they are home on their off day, there will be some SeeSaw activities that they can be working on. So I just wanted to show you what that kind of looks like. So when your child logs into their home learning SeeSaw account, there's this light bulb button that says activities, and there will be like a number, a red number with how many activities are in there. Now I have, just for fun, loaded 4 activities starting today just to get the kids familiar with it. There's 2 math ones and then 2 reading ones. So your child, when they click the activities button, they're going to see an ordering numbers not assessment, but activity. There's going to be one for ordering numbers, and I did differentiate for my students. There'll be one about doing scratch art sight words. There'll be one for just number practice and writing and using the different tools for that. And there's also one for letters and sounds that I know. Again, they're just going to practice using the microphone in this activity. In this activity, they're going to practice using the drawing tool, and they can change the color and practice like the marker or the highlighter, whatever they choose. When the students click add response, it'll take them right to the activity, and I have instructions, voice instructions for them. So they should be pretty independent with these. However, because they're brand new, they might need a little bit of help. But going forward, I will have voice instructions on these activities for the students and for you to help you guys out a little bit too. So yeah, check these out. If your kids want to try them out tonight, go for it. What happens when they add the response and they're finished, then I get a message and I check them out, and I can give comments back. I can write comments. I can do voiceovers for them so they can listen. And yeah, we'll just be using this feature a lot during hybrid, so I just wanted to get a little jump start on it. So good luck. I hope it works well. And if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I think this is going to be a good thing when we go into hybrid. It'll be okay. We're in this together. We'll make it through. All right. Thanks for your time. Bye.